Teach your heart to accept disappointments even from people you love. To my favorite person, I miss you a lot. Be safe every day. I love you. Life is not a sad story. Maybe you are just going through a bad chapter. Sometimes you need a mute button for your mind and feelings. Never cry for the person who doesn't know the value of your tears. Sometimes I hate myself for believing again and again the same people who avoid me. Distance is temporary, but trust and love we have for each others is permanent. Don't trust everything you see. Even salt looks like sugar. Don't trust anyone because people change anytime with any reason. Never ignore a person who cares for you because somebody you will realize you have lost a diamond while you were busy collecting stones. A person who truly loves you will be angry at you sometimes, but will never leave you. Yes, I am smiling because God is always teaching me to be strong. You are the most beautiful things I keep inside my heart. Breakups are overrated. Family issues can break a person more than anything. I always hurt you, but trust me, I will never leave you. 8 letters, 3 words, 1 meaning. I love you truly, madly, and deeply. Heavy eyes, depressed heart, fake smile on the face, but everyone thinks that my life is great. One day you will search for me to say sorry, but believe me, that will be too late. The right ones do not leave. They always find a reason to stay. Never make a relationship for time pass because maybe another person is very serious about it. If you like to this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.